This because my first video is with a loud background music, and I want to redo it without music. What I'm telling is to today is December 30 and tomorrow is completely new day because it's December 31 and tomorrow is the shift from 31 to brand new day. And yeah, it's new year basically, and I'm planning to change myself, my personality, and how I don't know how others celebrating the new year, but I'm happy for you all. I'm happy and celebrating this new year. Hope you all good have a good mental being, mental health, and I wanna say 6'7", 6'7", 6'7", and you know, 6'1", with the big eyes and dark skin, and saying 6'1", 6'1", 6'1". Yeah. Anyway, guys, I don't know how 6'7" and 6'1" enjoying this new year, but I'm positively thinking they do good for this celebrating New Year. And uh, I want to say I'm happy for you all. It's just a message before the fireworks happens, before the New Year, before I change myself, before before hanging out outside and fireworks display happen, and so many people having chayos and celebrating fireworks and explosive materials outside. you know I'm you know I can't express it, but I really enjoying this event, this new year, and hope you all will enjoy it. And yeah, just a small uh, you know, message for you all. Tomorrow is New Year. Let's celebrate all. And uh, I don't know. I'm blindly, boringly, and yeah, I have a bad English, but I'm trying myself. I'm trying. I'm trying my best. Anyway, guys, bye and have a good day, and see you to my next videos. I wanna do English version because I want other to see this on internet, even they are not Filipino, so they can view this message universally. I don't know if they care about it, but I have a care with it. It's New Year, guys. It's New Year. 6'7", 6'7", and bye. See ya.